Lionord fully automatic CNC aluminum plate cutting machine adopts servo feeding. The accuracy can reach plus 0.1 millimeters. The cutting height is 160 millimeters. The cutting stroke is 1,500 millimeters. The motor is 15 kilowatts. The high-speed cutting. The cutting speed is 10,000 millimeters divided by min, and the cutting surface is smooth and burr-free. The maximum cutting height of the machine can be 250 millimeters, and the stroke can be customized as requests. Lionord Automatic CNC aluminum plate cutting machine is an advanced aluminum processing equipment, which has excellent performance such as high efficiency, precision, automation and intelligence. The following is an introduction to the performance of the fully automatic CNC aluminum plate cutting machine. 1. High efficiency. The automatic CNC aluminum plate cutting machine adopts advanced CNC technology, an automatic control system which can quickly and accurately complete the cutting task of aluminum plate. Its high speed, cutting capacity, and efficient processing process make the equipment perform well under rapid production and large number of orders, which greatly improves production efficiency. 2. Accuracy. The automatic CNC aluminum plate cutting machine has extremely high cutting accuracy. Through precise programming and control system, the equipment can accurately cut according to the preset workpiece length, thickness and other parameters, ensuring the quality and stability of the product. 3. Automation and intelligence. The fully automatic CNC aluminum plate cutting machine has a high degree of automation characteristics. The user only needs to set the required parameters in the machine, and the machine is able to complete the entire process automatically without human intervention. In addition, the equipment is also equipped with an advanced human-computer interaction interface, which makes the operation more convenient and fast. In the production process, the equipment can monitor the operation in real time, timely feedback and deal with faults, and ensure the equipment.
本音频由魔音工坊 AI 配音。